I welcome everyone to my channel. And again, stories from life. A novel that will change your life. Martha Shields' right pointing arrow, hope for happiness. Maybe you will take your family and come to us together? Claire stood there in disbelief. Do you want to buy me? Hank asked suspiciously. Hell, no, Jake replied calmly. If you want to see the marriage certificate, I'll fax it to you today. I just thought that this way you could properly study me, or something. Plus, Claire misses her family. Claire's hand gripped his elbow, and her lips whispered silently, no. Do you have enough rooms in your fancy apartment? Hank asked. I thought it would be better to spend Thanksgiving at Bar Hanging 7, Jake said, ignoring his wife's soft gasp. There is enough room for everyone. Bar Hanging 7. What's next to Pony? Hank was clearly impressed by the news. Jake pushed away the phone Claire was trying to snatch from him. Do you know this ranch? But how? You have the most purebred bulls in the area. Mine are far from them. Well, we'll talk about bulls when we meet. So how? Will you come tomorrow or next week? Wait, I'll ask Alex. Jake was amused that Claire's determined brother was going to ask his wife's permission. He turned to Claire. She looked at him reproachfully. Why did you do that? She hissed furiously. I thought you loved your family, he replied. I love, only, just now? I hoped I had a little more time to prepare for their arrival. Jake kissed his wife on tight lips. Don't worry, my angel. I'll be with you. And this is your ranch. Why didn't you tell me about him? Before Jake could answer, Hank went back to the phone. Alex says we'll go, although then I'll have to find a couple more workers for the weekend. In fact, she is delighted with the idea. Hank laughed. She also asked if Claire was going to cook the turkey. Not understanding the joke, Jake turned to Claire. Alex asks if you are going to cook the turkey. Claire's blue eyes narrowed. Ha, 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 realizing that this was some kind of family joke. Jake replied to Hank, apparently not. Hank laughed. At least I understood that you didn't marry my sister because of her culinary skills. I will send a plane for you on Wednesday. I hope he can land at Jackson Hole Airport, it's not far from you. Suitable. Just this. Neither you nor Claire have answered my questions yet. Questions can wait until the meeting. They can. Here Alex wants to talk to Claire. Jake gave the phone to his wife. She grabbed it. What? Oh, hi Alex. You can stop this. She sighed heavily. Okay, I know, good. Bye. She hung up and turned to Jake. Are you out of your mind? What did your daughter-in-law say to you? He asked. Claire gave Jake a frown. She promised to send me a list of products to buy. Don't try to change the subject. How dare you invite my family? Yes, even on the ranch. By the way, why didn't I know you had a ranch until now? Is that the whole problem? I suggested going to the ranch because they were used to the ranch and would be more comfortable there. If you think it's better to stay in the city, let's stay in my penthouse. She stared at him intently, as if trying to determine if he was telling the truth. I don't want them to come at all. Sooner or later you will meet them. To be continued. If you liked the video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell to nothing don't miss.